you have to go to a web browser and search for cpagrip.com, and then it will take you to a website which you can see here. And on the upper right corner you have this login option. Click on that. And now if you have an account, then you can go and enter your email and password, and then you'll be logged into your account. But if you don't have an account, you have this option called register now. Click on that. So here it is asking you for sign up. Now make sure that you have to fill the options which have a star mark. That means this field or this initial is required. Now a lot of members don't have this Skype account, so you won't be having your Skype name. So what you have to do is go to Skype. On the left side you will have this profile icon. Click on that, and here you will have your Skype name. So you have to make sure that you have a Skype account. So without having a Skype account, you won't be signed in to your CPA Grip. And after that, enter your zip code. And if you don't have any idea about the zip code, then go to Google and search for your state zip code, and then you will have that zip code there, and just paste it here. And after that we have publisher type. So under publisher type you can select other, and after that enter a password. You can use this suggested password, or you can create your own password. And after that it is asking you to confirm your password. So again retype your password. So I'll be choosing this time zone which is related to me. So after that click on I have read all these instructions and I agree, I will not complete the offers myself, and just hit on everything and then click on register now. And after that you have finally registered. So registering to your CPA Grip account was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.